In today's guide, you will learn how to record screen on Windows 11 laptop and Mac. So whether you use Windows or use Mac, this guide helps you. And if you also want to capture your face as you do the recording, I will walk you through how you can do that from this tutorial, okay? So this is used mainly by people that offer tutorial where they want to capture the screen of the PC, or maybe you want to show somebody something on the screen. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. If you're a Windows 11 user or Windows 10 user, this app comes pre-installed on the laptop. All right. So that's the app we need for this screen recording. So click on the start and then click here and search for Clipchamp. Okay. The app is known as Microsoft Clipchamp. It comes pre-installed on every Windows 11 and Windows 10 PCs. All right, but if you use older versions, don't worry, you can still use this app on the web, which applies to Mac users. All right, so click on it for it to open. All right, and follow along. But here, for the sake of people that use Mac and older versions, we can still access this app through the web. So let's go through the web. All right, so open your web browser, then visit the website clipchamp.com. Okay, once you're taken to this page, if you have an account with Microsoft already as a Windows user or Apple user, just click on sign in and then sign in with the Microsoft account email address and password. But if you don't have an account with Microsoft, you need to create one. So you need to click on try for free and follow the on-screen guide. All right. But for the fact that I'm a Windows 11 user, I have an account with Microsoft. So I need to click on sign in. Then click the option continue with Microsoft. Once you sign in successfully, you'll be landed on this interface. All right. Now we need to start recording our screen. And for you to do that, click on this option, create a new video. All right. You are taken to this page and you need to give a name to this recording. Okay. So click here and give it any name. All right. Let's say sample or sample guide. All right. After giving the file a name, the file you want to record a name, click on record and create. You are shown these options and now let's just record screen. For you to record the screen, click on the screen option. Then click on this record button. Then you are given this option, Microsoft Edge tab, Windows, and entire screen. Microsoft Edge tab is selected because that is the browser I'm using at this point in time. So if I want to capture everything that is going on in this browser alone, I will go with this option. If you want to select Windows, click on this and you select some pages that are open in your computer right now. But if you want to capture the entire screen, select this entire screen. I like going with this because it will capture anything I'm doing on this computer at that point in time. So select this option, that is the best option, and then click on this preview and then select the share option. Okay, then click on hide. You can now minimize this window and start what you want to talk about. Okay, let's say I want to capture the File Explorer, so I'll click on File Explorer. So everything I'm doing on this page right now, on this piece right now, is captured. Okay, let's say I want to talk to you about some folders. So all I need to do is anything I'm doing here is captured with my voice. Okay. So once you're done with what you want to record, you need to stop it. And for you to stop it, take your cursor to the browser, then click on this and then click on stop. Okay, then click on hide, then click on save. So at this point, this recorded file is being saved in this application. Okay, once the recording is captured, the screen recording is captured and saved, the file will appear here and it will be placed in the timeline area automatically. Okay, so if I want to edit this guide further, all I need is to play. Once I get to where I want to cut out, I will stop. Okay, let's edit small. Okay, then click on hide. You can now minimize this window as good. Let's assume this part I don't need. So now that I have paused the video, I will click on cut. Okay, and then I'll click on this and then click on delete. Then I will delete this space here. So you can use it to capture your screen, and after that, you can use it to edit the video immediately. So it's a wonderful app. Whether you're using a Mac or you're using Windows, whether old Windows, it serves you right so far you log in through the web. Okay, what of a situation you need to capture your face and the screen at the same time? This application has that feature. And for you to do that, click on record and create. Now you are shown some options. Here we want to capture our face as we talk. Then select this option, screen and camera. You can see it's showing you preview of how it will look like. So click on this, record. Then you choose whether you want to stay on Microsoft Edge or you want to select a particular window that is open on this PC. If I click on this, you can see this recorder I'm using here is open, as well as this my music folder in my file explorer. But I want to go with the entire screen. So select this. That's what I usually use in most cases. So click on this, the preview, and then click on share. Then click on hide. Minimize the window. All right, so everything you're saying now will be captured along with your face. It's that simple, okay? I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas of interest. So, if you want to learn tech, subscribe. We cover so many areas in tech, including self-publishing, YouTube education, how to use iPhone, Android, and different types of computers, including software. All right. So, if you're interested in any of these areas, consider subscribing to this channel. All right. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system knows that this is a valuable content. All right. So leave a comment in the comment section as well. Let me know if you find this content a helpful one. Or if it doesn't help, let me know. Maybe I will create more time and answer you based on what you need. All right. So learn more on how to use Microsoft Clipchamp to complete more tasks. Consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.